Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. So friend most welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. Let's come and I shared with you beautiful design in this video. Handbags how made you to create different ideas to watching this video because it's are very beautiful to each other. So friend let's come and I shared with you beautiful ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will enjoy my ideas because it's are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. I hope you will begin different ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. So friend I introduce beautiful ideas which are most beautiful to each other and you will enjoy my idea. Beautiful design in this video I shared with you because it's are very beautiful and authentic design. I showed you to like this video and you will be create different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. So friend you will be enjoy different ideas which I shared with you. I hope you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully you will begin different ideas to watching this video. Beautiful design in this video I show beautiful design in this video I shared with you. I hope you will be enjoy my different ideas because it's are very beautiful authentically different to each other. So friend you will be enjoy different ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. I hope you will be enjoy my beautiful Cyrus great ideas that are cute flags and beautiful design in this video I shared with you. So don't forget to subscribe this channel because it's our very unique ideas which I shared with you in this video. I hope I shared with you beautiful design that are very competitive or different to each other and you will be enjoy my different ideas that are related to the crochet pattern and these are very beautiful ideas which I shared with you in this video. I hope you will begin different ideas to watching my video because it's are very unique. I hope you will be enjoy different ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video and you